Shop With Me video, and today we are at Hobby Lobby finding a ton of rustic farmhouse decor and some Valentine's Day finds. So I'm going to be walking around showing you some decor pieces that I absolutely love, like this little dresser, and these inspirational quotes. How amazing are these? Love never fails. God is good, y'all. So many cute things at Hobby Lobby. I swear I can just live here. Now, I'm pretty much going to be walking around this video showing you a couple pieces that I love, and together they built a life they love. That's so sweet. One of the things I absolutely adore about Hobby Lobby is just how many wall decor pieces they have at affordable prices. And another industrial rustic piece that I found were these Farm Sweet Farm bins and the flower tins as well. These are so cute, and you can use so many pieces to decorate your home. Country Farm flour, Country Farm coffee, and Country Farm sugar baby. Here's some awesome wooden pieces that I found throughout Hobby Lobby. These are great to put at the front entrance of your home. And these are some more picture frames and wooden slabs. If you want to add some wooden elements throughout your home, this is such a great store to find some great unique pieces. Look at these corbels. Whenever I think of corbels, I think of that one Fixer Upper episode. It was awesome. If you are a pet person, then you're absolutely going to appreciate this section. This girl runs on Cupcake and Jesus. Love it. Here's some other wall pieces that I found gathered together, and I absolutely love that one up front. This was a really sweet girly section that I stumbled upon when I was walking throughout Hobby Lobby. A lot of gold and pink shimmery pieces that if you want to add a touch of color throughout your home, or even if you're someone who is a college student looking to add some unique pieces throughout your room, or just a stay-at-home mama wanting to add pops of color throughout your home, then check out Hobby Lobby because these pieces are really unique, and I don't think rustic or farmhouse has to be a particular style. You can always add pops of color throughout it to just reflect your personality, and that's the beauty of home decor. You make it how you want it. So I'm just, oh, look at that, look at that. I love that wall hanging, and look at this globe. I love the shimmery gold specks throughout. This is something that I really thought was super unique, and it's just really adorable and chic. Here's some more rustic farmhouse pieces that I found. Look at that little farmhouse, blessed. Grateful, thankful, and blessed. More wall pieces throughout Hobby Lobby. Gather, thankful, farmhouse sign, and look at that gorgeous cow. One of the things that I'm really loving are these cotton buds. You can fill those into mason jars or those galvanized glasses that you see below, and they just freshen up a space. And plus, they're not real plants you have to take care of, so that's always amazing if you're not a plant person. Here's some more wall signs that I found with amazing inspirational quotes throughout. 50% off tabletop decor, guys. It's a sale. We love sales. Life is better in the country. I love this wooden farmhouse slab and this market sign, which just goes so cute in your kitchen. Dairy Fresh, porch rules. I love Hobby Lobby because there's so many unique pieces that before I even found out about Hobby Lobby, I wouldn't even know about. So I think they do a good job at pertaining to the clientele's needs. And if you're a fan of Fixer Upper, Chip and Joanna Gains, you are absolutely going to love this store. You know, and plus it's really affordable. Sometimes finding some of these pieces can be expensive depending on where you look, or if you shop on Etsy, it can be pretty pricey. But if you're on a budget, I think you can find a lot of nice things. Look at this clock. I love clocks like these. They just have a really nice industrial appeal to it, and it can really just brighten and liven up a space. Look at that farmer's market sign. Perfect things for your kitchen. Farmhouse barn, pasture outhouse. Another big clock that I love. And here to end off this video, we have some awesome Valentine's Day decor. So if you're looking to spruce up your home with a little bit of Valentine's Day spirit, then Hobby Lobby is your place to shop. These are so many cute little decor pieces that I found. Song of Solomon. Another thing that I love about Hobby Lobby is the Christian elements that they have throughout some of the items in their store. If you enjoyed today's video, please thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! You're gonna get your bag and slowly move the butter mixture in a circle. And this is what is going to give your pancakes